CSAT is easy. We will help you pass it. You focus on paper 1 and become an IAS officer. So let us get started. This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2024. This can get very complicated if you do not understand as to how you should be counting the numbers, and if you know the process, probably this problem can be done in 30-40 seconds. So let us get started and try to understand what does this problem say. It says that what is the number of 5 used in numbering 260 page book. How do I start? Can I say that from 1 to 100? Please see that. How many times are we using 5? How many times are we using 5? 5 is written. 5 is written 20 times. Let us say you have got 5 at unit places and then you have got it at tens places. For the very first time, 5 will be at 5, and then 15, and then 25, and then 35, and then 45, and then 55, and then 65, and then 75, and then 85, and then 95. Have a look at it, how many times you have written at the unit places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I'm not counting the number at the tens place. And 7, 8, 9, 10. How many times are we writing 5 at unit places? We are writing at 10 times. Similarly, how many times are we going to be writing at tens places? Again, it is going to be 10 times. Starting with what? Starting with 50, and then 51, and then 52, so forth and so on up to 59. So how many such numbers are there? You have got 10 such numbers, and 55 obviously is going to be there. We have counted this 5, the 5 at the unit place already here. So हम क्या करेंगे? ये वाली 5 को count करेंगे. So how many times are you writing 5 at the tens places? You are writing only 10 times. So unit places has got 10 5s, 10 places has got 10 5s. Collectively, you have got 20 times. So what does that mean? How many times are we writing 5? We are writing 20 times. Any digit apart from 1 will be written 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they will be written 20 times. 1 certainly is going to be written 21 times because you will have to count 1 in 100 also, right? Now, since you are understanding this thing, 1 to 100, you have got how many times? You got 20 times. Similarly, 101 to 200, because hundreds places, यहाँ पे ना 5 तो कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहे आपको. So unit place and tens place will have 5s. How many times are they gonna have? They're gonna have 20 times. Now, up to 200 we have counted, right? Now we will have to count from 201 to 260. How do we do that? I'm gonna remove this so that I can make you understand it. From 201 to 260. So we will have to count 5s at unit places and then tens places. You do not have 5s at hundreds place, right? Now, since we do not have it there, unit places for the very first time you're going to have it 205, and then 215, and then 225, 235, 245, 255. That is it. 265 is beyond this one. How many times we have written 5 at unit places? Count it. 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6. I'm not counting this one. So unit places has got 5 appears 6 times at unit places. How many times it is going to be there at the tens places? Probably for the very first time it is going to be there at 250, isn't it? And then 251, 252, so forth and so on, and 259. How many times are you writing 5 at tens places over here? Pretty simple, 10 times. Do we have the clarity? So there is one number where you might be confused, which is 255. See, this 5 we have already counted. So we will have to count only 5 at the tens place, nothing else. So now have a look at it. 201 to 260. How many times are you writing? 6 times at unit places, 10 times over here, so 16. Add them up. What is going to be your option? Your option is going to be nothing but option number B. That is your answer. But if you already have done the practice and you know that 1 to 100 how many times are you writing 5, it is 20 times, आपके लिए तो फिर आसान हो गया. जिसको नहीं आता उसके लिए मुश्किल इसलिए भी है क्योंकि ऑप्शंस आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज. एक नंबर की गलती करोगे वहां पे ऑप्शन रखा हुआ है. So that mistake should not be committed, right? So I'm gonna see you in some other video. If you would like to prepare your CSAT with us, call us on this number. We will be providing you with 3 demo sessions and you certainly are going to pass CSAT. पेपर 1 पे फोकस करिए और IAS बनिए, right? CSAT आप हमारे पे छोड़िए. Bye bye and take care.